Guangdong Gosunm Intelligent Industry Company Limited, established in 2012, is located in Dongguan, the world's manufacturing capital. Gosunm is a professional manufacturer integrating R&D, production, sales and service of mask machines. At present, Gosunm has a modern workshop of 15,000 square meters, more than 200 core employees, and nearly 40 patents. Gosumm's mask machines mainly include high-speed flat mask machines, KF94 mask machines, KN95 mask machines, cup-shaped mask machines,
and mask producing, inspecting packing lines.
The production efficiency of high-speed mask machines can reach 220 pieces per minute. Gosunm mask machine uses a large number of MISUMI gears and DC53 mold steel imported from Japan to ensure the longevity and stable performance. At the same time, the mask machine comes with material shortage alarm function for fabrics, ear straps and nose strips, which can effectively prevent material waste and the outflow of defective products. Gosunm attaches great importance to the quality commitment to customers. The company has passed the ISO 9001 process certification and CE product certification. Each mask machine is produced according to the process and undergoes strict inspection by the Quality Inspection Department before shipment. While pursuing independent innovation and reform, Gosunm has also established a long-term industry-university research cooperation with Shantou University, Huazhong University of Science and Technology, South China University of Technology, South China Normal University, and other institutions of higher learning to inject continuous source power into the company's R&D technology. Gosumm's customer base includes more than 30 countries and regions such as South Korea, Japan, Italy, the United Kingdom, Turkey, the United States, and Canada, and has established long-term cooperative relationships with well-known companies such as Gosunm, BYD, Sanchi, and Winner Medical. At the same time, Gosunm has successfully won honorary titles such as National High-Tech Enterprise, Guangdong Engineering Technology Research Center, Guangdong Postgraduate Workstation, and Dongguan Intelligent Manufacturing Association Chairman Unit. Gosunm will always stay creating value for customers, realizing dreams for employees, and taking responsibilities for society as its business mission, and is committed to becoming an international excellent supplier of mask machines and contributing its modest force to global epidemic protection.